Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find employees earning more than their managers. We have a table employee with employee ID, name, salary, and their manager ID. The manager ID also appears under the ID column because it's also an employee. So the manager ID 3, Sam, earns 60,000. His employee, Joey, earns 70,000, which means this is our target. Since we have only one table, we need to do the self-join. In SQL, we write a select statement. Our first employee table will be the data for our employees. Once we join it with the second employee table, the second table will be our manager data. We join them on manager ID with the ID. And now we have the condition. We write the where clause, and according to the requirements, we are looking for employee's salary, which is larger than their manager's salary. In the output, we need only one column, the name of the employee. Now let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we can also perform a self-merge. We simply take a DataFrame employee and use the function merge. We merge with the same data frame. Now we join these two tables. On the left side, our left table is our employee data table. We take the manager ID. On the right side is our manager data table. We connect it on ID column. We want to add suffixes because we will have an error combining two tables with the same column names. So we add suffixes for the columns that come from the employee table. We will have a suffix amp, and for the columns that come from the managers table, we will have a suffix manager. And we should save this into merged data frame. Now we need to filter the rows where employee salary is larger than manager salary. We take the new data frame and we filter. The employee salary column now is called salary employee, and the manager salary column now is called salary manager. We save this into the result dataset, and we are ready to return the result. We need to display only one column, the name of the employee. The original column from the result dataset is called name employee, which has to be renamed for the final output. We use the function rename, and the column name employee will be renamed to employee. Let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Self-join in SQL or self-merge in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.